CTEIS allows you to import course details from a student management system. To utilize this feature, you may want to review the importing guides available on the website at www.cteis.com, as you will need to create an import file that CTEIS can read. Often, your IT staff can help you to create files that fit the CTEIS specifications described in the online importing guides. When you are ready to import your course details, go to the Data Entry menu and click on Student, Course, and Enrollment Import. Locate the building you wish to import your courses into and click the graphical button in the corresponding row. Beneath the Import Courses header, choose your import file and then click the button labeled Import Records. CTEIS will read the information from your import file and place it into a temporary table for you to review. Records that contain the word Insert in the status column are error-free and ready to be saved in CTEIS. To complete the import of your course records, click the Process Courses button beneath the temporary table. After importing your course details, it is important to verify that your information is complete and accurate. It is especially important to review the subsections and segments that your classes are set to deliver to your enrolled students. Browsing Manage Courses or viewing your building reports are two effective ways of gauging the success of your import. Click on Review Courses to learn how to generate helpful reports and verify your course information.